have an old lamp, maybe a brass one just like this, that you were about to give away or toss in the trash? Well, stop. Don't throw it away just yet. In this video, we're going to learn to repurpose this lamp and paint it, and possibly it could be even used as a Christmas present this year. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a craft that we recently did at our women's ministry gathering at church. My friend Carrie taught us how to take an old lamp and paint it and make it just like new. So I'm going to share with you the steps on how you can do this. You may have some lamps in your garage that you could repurpose, you could paint them, and they would make great Christmas presents this year. So I'm excited to share this with you today. I have this brass lamp that has been in my garage. I actually have a pair of them, and I'm gonna probably repurpose this one. And what you wanna do is you wanna start off by spraying this with a primer. You can get a spray paint primer, and these primers are going to paint over any material, whether it's brass or wood, but just make sure that you tape off, and you can see, you'll see my finished lamp, or an almost finished lamp. You want to tape off the cords. You want to tape off the areas that you do not want painted. You can take this part off. You know, you can really even take a lamp. There are so many lamps that you can find for free even. Maybe the lamp doesn't work, but it doesn't cost much to replace the parts to a lamp to get it working again. And it would make a great inexpensive gift. Mackenzie-Childs is an inspiration for some of these lamps, and it's really where I got the inspiration for the one that I wanted to make. I'm going to share with you some samples off of Pinterest where I look to kind of get some ideas. So I encourage you, go to Pinterest, look online for things like Mackenzie-Childs or painted lamps. You're going to see all kinds of pictures to get inspiration for your lamp. You might want to do it a little more simple, just maybe some different colors. I chose one, and I'm going to show you this lamp and how I've started it. This is a Mackenzie-Childs really style, and I like this. I think that's going to look really good in my family room. Not quite done yet. And what I did is I started after it was primed. It's ready to go, and then you just get the inexpensive craft paint. I picked mine up at Hobby Lobby and at Walmart. I picked up this one is a metallic gold, so I wanted to have that color, and then I've got black and then just kind of an antique white. And then you just really look, the nice thing about these lamps, and if you see here at the two styles, what happens here is you've got different sections, and when it's painted, you can really see the different parts that you could paint different colors. And I've got some samples. My friend Carrie does a beautiful lamp that is in all different colors. It's really whimsical, and so I think you'd really love that one too. But once it's painted that primer paint, you're going to see the different sections that you can section off and paint. Now, I'm going to tell you, I tried it two different ways. I tried taping off, especially down here. This is where I taped off the, so that I could kind of do the stripes. And I taped it, and it really bled through the tape. some of these areas on the lamps, they're not very smooth, so it's hard to get tape, painter's tape, to lay down flat. The rest of it, I really just kind of hand did with a small angled brush, and it's not hard. And once you're done, if you see any spots that you just don't feel great about, that maybe bled through, you can go back and touch up. That's the nice thing about this. Don't worry about it. You can, this is painted, it's your creation, it's gonna look great. And so I just kind of went through my different sections here, and I started off, you'll see the picture that I'm sharing of my inspiration, and so I wanted to do it very similar to that, and I'm kind of to this stopping point right here, and I've just got my different sections that I have painted gold and black, and then also the ivory, and I'm going to also add, you'll see, I picked these up at Walmart, and the polka dots, like what are in my picture, I'm actually going to put the polka dots right here around the body of the largest part of the black. And I wanted to get some good sized polka dots, so I've got this size here, you can see, and I picked these up at Walmart. There are several different sizes. I've got the small one, and I've got a really large one, and this is going to give me that good circle. And again, if it bleeds a little bit, I can go in and kind of clean it up. I've got some of my angled brushes here that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. And once you're finished with your lamp and you have your finished product, then what you want to do, and it's all dry, then you're going to take this lacquer and you're going to spray it to finish it. And it's going to give it a little bit of a shine. This is a super clear satin, so it's not going to be super glossy, but it's just a nice finish because the acrylic paints kind of give it a flat, almost chalk paint finish. So I'm going to finish that off, and I think it's going to look really great. I hope that you try this. I'm really excited. You could do this seasonally, because honestly, you can find lamps at thrift stores, at garage sales, so cheap, because people just think, they're not really in style anymore. Maybe this brass isn't very current, and you just kind of wanted to buy a new lamp. Well, this was a wood lamp, and and now it's just got a great new look. It's just kind of fun, and I think that I really enjoyed. This was a fun craft for all of us to do together. And I really, really appreciate my friend Carrie taking the time to share with us. And she really also led us in a devotional and talked about how, as a lamp, and especially, in our homes and with Harvesting Home, we talk about being a light, and how that light just shines and in the darkness. And the light in you, and for me, my faith in Jesus Christ, is the light that I want to shine in my home. Thank you for joining us today. I hope that you will like this video and subscribe to our channel. We're excited to share Harvesting Home with you and so many wonderful things coming up.